Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character step by step. I will first write it in regular scripts, then following one word and one sentence. Now let's write. As like that. You 尔等 For example, 偶尔 偶尔 once in a while. Sometimes. The problem only happens sometimes. 问题只是偶尔发生。The problem only happens sometimes. 问题只是偶尔发生。只是偶尔发生。The problem only happens sometimes. 问题只是偶尔发生。而 in cursive. As like that. You 偶尔 once in a while. Sometimes. The problem only happens sometimes. 问题只是偶尔发生。Please comment any sentence with the character 而. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.